think the cat's out of the bag, Mummy. Ziggy? What are you doing there? Huh? Hey. Ow, bugger. That hurt, Ziggs. Mwah. Hello, big boy. Yep, the cat's definitely out of the bag. Where are you off to now? You're only with me today because Joe's out, isn't he, all day? Yes. Hey, Ziggy. Ziggy, you beautiful boy. Yes, you